Hi again, this is Paul Dembowski from Liberty Street Software. And in this video, we're going to introduce our StampManage Canada 2016 edition. It's January 11, 2016. We just finished it up. We're going to be sending out email notices to pre-existing customers in the next few days. And so we just decided to do this video to show you some of the new features. First of all, in the main window, you'll notice when you click on a stamp now, it's going to show a little values table here. So it's going to show you the values for that particular stamp. This was not there before. And so it's going to show you all the values that are currently defined for that stamp. Secondly, we've updated the Canadian database. And one way to look at that is let's select Tools, Stamp Data Manager, which is how we make changes to the predefined stamp database. You'll see here all the Canadian provinces as well as Canada. So let's expand Canada, look at regular issues and stamps text, and sorted by Scott number here, as you can see. So let's just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see here it's been updated all the way up to October 2, 2015, Scott number 2878. And you can see here it's additional information, the gum print method, variety notes. We have some people, some absolute stamp experts contributing to our database, and Earl here has contributed many stamps over the past few months, and we appreciate it. So there you have that. It's been updated. We'll be continuing to update as new issues come out. So we'll close there. Now, a third new feature is the webcam. We've introduced the webcam directly into the program. So what you can do, let's look at the stamp wizard here. And let's see, you've got a stamp and you're not really sure what the Scott number is, and you really don't want to spend an hour trying to search through images or a catalog to try and figure out exactly what the Scott number is. So one way we've made it much easier is to use this Add Stamp Wizard. Now, you notice here this new section, the webcam section. What it does is it allows you to select a webcam. Now, if you have a Microsoft Surface, which has two cameras, a front and back camera, you'll be able to select between the front and back camera as well. So, as you can see here, we've got a Microsoft LifeCam, which is a pretty high quality camera, pretty nice resolution. I believe it's like $70 or so. And so, I'm going to click Start Capture. Turns on the webcam live feed, and what we need to do here basically is just get a good shot of this stamp. And once we've done that, we click on Take Snapshot. Now what we can do is do an image search, and that uses the Lineup Stamp Search, which is a third-party add-in that costs $19.95 for a worldwide 600,000 image database that you can search. So it sends the photo that we've captured from the webcam directly to the Lineup Stamp Search online image database, and it's going to look for sites all over the internet where this particular stamp may be found. So as you can see here, it's found a couple of results. Now what we can do is a little detective work. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes not so easy, but we've got our Royal Philatelic Society of Canada. We've also got the RPAN for Philateli.com site. And what you can do is here is find the stamp that you're looking for. This is obviously it. And you can see that on October 3rd, 2011, Canada Post released this stamp, and a little bit of information describing why the stamp was released, who's on it, etc., etc. So what you can do then, if it doesn't explicitly tell you the Scott number, which I don't think it does in this case, you can just take the date it was released, October 3rd, 2011. Click Next. Type in country. Country's going to be Canada, year 2011. Click Next, and it's going to bring up only the stamps from 2011, and then can basically look at the date issued here, and it's October 2nd, I believe. Okay, here it is right here. So we have International Year of Chemistry booklet single, and obviously this is our stamp. So we now know that it's got numbers 2489. Click next. All sorts of additional information as well. We got some pricing here as well. And what we can do then is inventory the stamp with additional information as well. So click next. It's going to give you a preview what the output's going to look like when you click on the stamp. Finish, and it adds it to our inventory along with the picture that we just scanned in. So there you go. Now this feature is also available on the picture of my stamp, so I could use the webcam to take actual picture of my stamp if I need to as well. So okay, now reporting. The third-party report designer we integrated into the program has been improved quite a bit, and a lot of new features. We'll just go over one or two of them right now. One of them is if you edit a report now or create a new one, it has what's called conditional formatting. And to illustrate that, let me just take a pre-existing report. We'll try stamp sorted by Scott. And you can see here, this is currently in preview mode, so it's going to show you what the output's going to look like immediately. You don't have to print it out or take a wild guess what it's going to look like. It's going to show you right there. So let's do some conditional formatting. Double click on the table object. And let's say we want to look at all stamps that are worth more than 100. Let's say we want to do something special with all stamps that are worth more than $100. So click on stamp value, and here you'll notice this new field called conditional formatting. And double click on that. We can add a new condition. So let's say if the value is greater than or equal to $100. We're going to do this formatting. We're going to change the font so it's bold, and say the color is some sort of orange or red there. Click OK, and that's what it'll give you an example of what the new text is going to look like. So hit OK on there, OK again, and you can see the preview refreshes, and without even printing out, you're going to get an idea what the output's going to look like. And you notice here this little value column there, all stamps with a value of more than $100 are bold and in a reddish color that we specified previously. Okay, it's been 8 minutes now. I think that's enough. If you're a previous customer of StampManage Canada, you should be getting an email to upgrade. If not, you can go to our website and click on upgrades, and you'll be able to upgrade as well. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.